Hi students, this is Rajender. Welcome to Rajender D Chemistry Point. In previous videos, we discussed about homologous series. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about the functional group. What is functional group? What is the definition of functional group? How it is useful in organic chemistry? And what is importance of functional groups in organic chemistry? And how these functional groups we use in writing a 5-part nomenclatures. We will discuss. Okay. So before that, first of all, let us discuss about what is functional group. So function group, an atom or group of atoms, whether it may be atom or group of atoms, which are responsible for the properties, characteristic properties of the molecule or compound. A compound ki unde properties anni kuda, the maximum properties of that compound is depends on an atom or group of atoms. So that is known as functional group. Okay. Sometimes double bonds and triple bonds also acts as the functional group. Okay. Let us discuss here. An atom or group of atoms which are responsible for characteristic properties of compounds. An atom or group of atoms which are responsible for the characteristic properties of compound is called functional group. Okay. So here let us discuss what are the different functional groups. So let us discuss one by one. So here the first functional group is alcohol. Alcohol is the first functional group. So how can we represent? This is OH. Okay, alcohol. For this the functional group is OH. And here the best example is CH3, CH2OH. This is ethyl alcohol. So here the next second functional group is thioalcohol. Thio is nothing but sulfur group. Okay. So in thioalcohol, SH. So best example is CS3, CH2, SH. Okay. So for thioalcohol, this is the functional group. Now you can observe here, atom, group of atoms. This is group of atoms. Now due to this group of atom only, the properties of these compounds are changes. So whatever the properties of the alcohol, ethyl alcohol, those are the properties of ethyl alcohol is depends on only OH group. Okay. The next third one is ethers. Ethers. Okay. So here the function group is like this. Okay. So example is CS3OCH3. This is. The next one is thioethers. Fourth one is thioethers. So this is the functional group for thioethers. Okay. So CH3 is CH3. Thioether. The next sulfonic acid. So here the functional group for sulfonic acid is SO3H. So example, methane sulfonic acid, SO3H. So here these are some of the functional group. We will discuss the more functional groups now. Next, aldehyde. So here aldehyde functional group. So we can represent like this: C double bond O H R S CHO. So here the example is CH3 CHO. Okay. So aldehyde functional group may be represented like this or like this. Okay. The next functional group is ketone. Okay. So for the ketone function group, this is the ketone function group, or simply we can represent like this also. Okay. So here the example is acetone. So this is used in nail polish remover. Okay, nail polish remover. Then the next functional group is carboxylic acid. This is the next functional group. So here represent like this also: C double bond O OH RS COOH. Okay. So here this example is acetic acid, CH3COOH. Acetic acid is the example for this. The next functional group is ester is the next functional group. So it can be represented like this: CH double bond O R here. Nothing but R is nothing but alkyl group. You remember that R is nothing but alkyl group. R is nothing but alkyl group. Or else we can also represent like this also. Okay. So here the example is CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is the ester. And the next acid halide. Acid halide. Acid halide. Okay. So here the representation of acid halide is like this. X. So here we know very well that X is nothing but halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. It can also be represented like this also, COX. Okay. So here the example CH3 C double bond O Cl. The next amide, next functional group is amide. Okay. So amide can be represented like this: C double bond O NH2 or CONH2. This is also represented. So the example is, the best example, CH3 C double bond O NH2. Okay, ethanamide. Okay. The next acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. Okay. So here acid anhydride, how it is formed? For example, two carboxylic acids are combined together. Now what happened? It loses the water. It loses the water. Means minus H2O. It leads to formation of COOC. Okay. So this can be represented like this. Let us discuss this. So here it can be represented C double bond O C. This is okay, or else C double bond O C double bond O. This is acid anhydride. Okay. So here let us take example for acid anhydride: CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3. This is example for acid anhydride. So these are the some functional group. So now all these are the acid derivatives. Acid derivatives. Acid derivatives. Carboxylic acid derivatives. These are okay. What are those? Esters and acid halides, amides, anhydrides. So the next one is amines. Primary amine. Okay. Primary amine is nothing but NH2. Okay. So example for the primary amine is CH3NH2. And the next second one is secondary amine. Secondary amine. So like this. Secondary amine is like this. NH. So nitrogen is attached to two carbons. So CH3 NH CH3. Okay. The next another functional group is there, that is tertiary amine. Tertiary amine. So the tertiary amine is like this and like this. Okay. So nitrogen attached to three other carbons. So N CH3 CH3 CH3. This is tertiary amine. Okay. The next another is also there. Halides. Halides or alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. So here the functional group is like this. So here X is nothing but we never have that fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. Okay. So let us take example CH3 Cl. CH3 Cl. And the next another is also there, nitro. So here the functional group for nitro is NO2. So the example is CH3 NO2. So the next azo is also there. Azo functional group. Azo functional group is present like this. C. Okay. N double bond N. This is azo functional group. So here let us take an example. Generally azo functional groups are present in dyes. Color compounds like okay. So this is azo functional group. So here the next functional group is cyanide. cyanide. Cyanide is the next functional group, that is C triple bond N. So the example for this is CH3CN. Okay. The next another is isocyanide. Isocyanide. Okay. So here N. So here the functional group is like this. N. C. Okay. So here CH3 and C. Okay. So this is isocyanide.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.